Okay. I got a hack for the tent guys. Any kind of tent will work. Paraglider pilots use what they call a stuff sack. Okay? That's for stuffing their wing when they don't want to take the time to set it all up or to fold it all up nice and neat and everything. So it's called a stuff sack. You can pick them up. They've got shoulder straps. Just slip it over your shoulder once you got it stuffed. Let me show you how it works. Lay it out flat on the ground. Okay. Make it as fairly flat as you can. Take all your linen that's too bulky or you don't want to bother folding the stuff up every time. Nice blanket. And a big old mink blanket. And another little blanket. Okay. There's all my linen. Plus sheets and stuff. It's just a demo. Okay, bring it up here. Bring the edges up and around. And there's two cords. Okay, and what I usually do is I'll tie the cords once and then I loop it through the two carry handles, because this is obviously a lot smaller than a paraglider wing. Well, I guess nowadays the paraglider wings are quite a bit smaller. But tie it again. A couple of big old bow ties in it. Just like I'm tying my fat shoes. And there's all your linen. With the backpack straps on the back. Carry it in the house to wash it. Whatever you want to do. Pretty handy little gizmo. I don't hardly fly much anymore. I thought, yeah, that'll work pretty good for linen. Blankets and sheets and pillows. See, there you go. Cool.